Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. This is C.H. John Paul, our lecturer in English of Sri College of Arts and Science, Amlapuram, affiliated to Adikavi Nanna University, Rajamahendravaram, who have been discussing about the second year, fourth semester CSS paper, Communication and Soft Skills paper. Already we had discussed 4 units and we are discussing about the last unit and fifth unit, resume and CV. And the first topic, fifth unit and first topic, resume and CV. In this unit, the first topic, resume and CV, already discussed in the very clearly about the introduction. What is the meaning of CV? What is the meaning of resume? And how to write a CV and resume, and tips per resume, tips per CV, and what is the difference between CV and resume, and what is the format of CV, and what is the format of resume. These all things are discussed in the previous class. Again, once I remember just what is the resume and CV, then I will go to examples. So, curriculum vitae, it means course of life. The definition is a short document that describes one's education, work and experience, etc. Education, work and experience, etc. This is called curriculum vitae. And resume means a person's job, resume means summary. The definition is a person's job, experience and education. In India, we have used biodata, biographical details. All the three expressions, it means curriculum vitae, resume, biodata, refers to particulars required for job applications. Formats are different. So, curriculum vitae or resume or biodata are the first steps towards securing a job, such as learning and practicing. Preparation, resume or curriculum vitae is very important for job aspirants. I think once remember few points about CV and resume, my dear students. A CV up to 2 pages is slightly longer than a resume. Is slightly longer than a resume. Resume is only 1 page long. A CV or resume should, as a rule, confine to the basic requirements and be brief. And be brief. A good resume draws the attention of the potential employer. This is the first quality. A good resume creates interest in the minds of employer about the aspirant. This is the second good quality of resume. And third one, a good resume focus. A good resume focus emphasis on strengths and achievements the aspirant. To prepare a good CV or resume, one must clearly understand from the advertisement what kind of a person the organization is looking for and what are the required qualifications for the job. This is the brief information about the resume. The next, CV. A CV has the following parts like personal information. Here are mentioned: name, like in full and capital letters. Second, address. Second, address. And third, mobile number and email ID. These are personal information of enough. Next point is career objective. Mention clearly your objectives. And the next one is professional experience. Like if you have experience in different companies, then begin with the latest and go backwards till you reach your first job. And the next one, projects. Describe the projects you have taken up the graduation. The next one is you can mention your special achievements too, if any. If any. This is the just information about one's remember CV, resume, meaning and definitions, and important things. My dear students, coming to the main point, in examination point. In the examination asked you like this few questions, like read the or prepared a CV for the post of from office assistant, must be a graduate, fluency in English is a must. Knowledge of computers preferable. Good communication skills. This is a question. We are try to write the CV or resume. First you have look at the resume. Sample resume చూద్దాం. Look at the sample resume. For example, top of the page mentioned your details like name, email ID, phone number, door number, village or city, pin code. The first one is career objective, right here. To secure a challenging position where I can effectively contribute my skills as software or any professional. This is the your courage, challenging power. The next one is educational qualifications. Already I clearly discussed how to write the educational qualifications. Completely the educational qualifications in the reverse chronological order. Reverse chronological order. Like higher education to lower education. Mention here higher education to lower education. Higher education. What is your final study? First drawn these like one box. Otherwise write some bullets, use that some bullets also. First of all, box serial number, second column qualifications, third column institution name and place, fourth column year of passing, fifth column marks. Fifth column marks. For example, first column MA English, this is the PG. And next college, institution Sri Vayan College, Narsapur. Year of passing 2012 to 14. 14 passing. 61 percentage. Second year qualification B.Ed Special English SV College, Ambajipeta. 11 to 12. 66 percentage. And the third one degree graduation BA Special English. SP College Amlapuram. 9 to 12. 72 percentage. And intermediate S1 year junior college 2007 to 19 60 percentage Ayinavelli. SSC 10th class ZB High School Chintalanka 2007 59. These like are mentioned, otherwise put the bullet, write these all educational qualifications like MA English in 2010 83 percentage marks, like this. And the next one, work experience. There are 3 years at government high school. Let's say complete sentence could write. I worked 3 years at a government high school in Amlapuram. The next one, technical skills or computer skills. Technical skills are computer skills. Programming languages, Java, NET, NET, PHP. Operating systems, Windows, XP, Linux, MS DOS. Packages, Microsoft Office, RDBMS, Oracle MS SQL services, like this. These are technical and computer qualifications. Or professional qualifications also mentioned. The next one, language known. I know Telugu, English, Hindi. I can speak very well English and Telugu. And interests and personal skills. Reading books like Bible, listening songs, music, improving communication skills and developing personality. Give the, if you have anything, additional qualifications as additional information. And salary expectation, I expected per month 50 or 40,000. Achievements, participated in national level seminar. And second achievement, got first prize in quiz program in the inter college competition. And received a college topper awards in degree and prize money also, etc. The next one is Personal profile. Here are very clearly mentioned like this: name, father name, date of birth, gender, nationality, permanent address, mobile number, email ID. If you have available on a request, mention here references also. What is it? References. Otherwise, the end of the resume with declaration. Declaration means responsibility. Like here, right? I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is correct up to my knowledge, and I bear the responsibility for the correctness of the above mentioned particulars. So the final left side of the margin, date and place. The right side of the margin, signature, sign, and under below the signature open the bracket, write the full name of yours in capital letters. This is resume pattern. And CV. The next one is CV, example of CV. CV, for example, I'll take one. I read it. Read the following hints and prepare a curriculum vitae. Hints: Andhra University 2009, PG in English, T. Rajshekar, intermediate distinction in intermediate best bowler cricket born on 15/12/1990 reading of books music previous experience as teacher in government school degree BA first class. These are hints are given the examiner. So utilize these advertisement and prepare a CV, curriculum vitae. Like this, right? First of all, personal details. The personal details here: name Rajshekar T. Already the examiner given these details. Second, father name Ramu. The third one, DO, date of birth 15/12/1990, gender male, complete address you have created that is not given as you wish. Like this, 126 by Sea View Towers, C. Tammadara, Vishakhapatnam 506003. Cell number created yourself 78972456131. Email ID Raja st@gmail.com. These are your creators. The next one is objective career. To become a teacher of English, to be able to mold good personalities. And third one, educational qualifications. Serial number, qualification, institution, year of pass, marks. MA English, institution Andhra University, Vizag, year of pass 2019, marks 62. And the next, B.Ed Special English, National Degree College, Vizag, 2007, 66%. The next one, BA Literature, Government Degree College, Vizag, 2004, 73%. Intermediate Government Junior College, 2002, 69%. SSC ZBI school Vizag 2060 percentage. And the next one is work experience. 3 years at a government high school. Achievements. A award best bowler trophy at university level cricket trophy tournament in 2008. Interests. Music and reading books. Language no Telugu, English and Hindi. Reference, give some name. Declaration. I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is correct up to my knowledge. Left side margin station and place, and right side signature, and under the below open the bracket, write down the your full name of capital letters. Full name of capital letters. In Indian terms, biodata like this. The form is I have given. In the use the term of in India. Biodata. Biodata form. Like to write the here college address. For example, SV College, Sri Venkateswara College of Arts and Science, Amlapuram. Above the to the principal, Sri Venkateswara College of Amlapuram. This is the two address. And respected sir, subject. Application for the post of English. Reference by C. John Ball and lecturer in English. Having come to know there are some vacations of English and forced under your jurisdiction. I beg to offer myself as a candidate for one of the same. I am submitting here with my full particulars regarding my qualifications, experience, etc. For your kind pleasure and issue of favorable order. Here are look at name of the applicant in block letters, your initial, surname also mentioned very clearly. Father's name in block letters, age, date of birth applicant, date here, month, year, in words also. Nationality and religion, Indian and Hindu. Don't mention here the column of B, caste and subcaste. This is removed from now. In the old days, asked in some Indian college institutions. Nowadays, remove this column. And present address, at present you are live. Detailed, clearly mentioned pin code with also. And your permanent address, where did come here. Permanent address also mentioned. And your qualification, higher qualification mentioned here. For example, MA Special English. Academic qualifications. After that, MA, BED like this. And technical qualifications are computer, C++, Java, Oracle, or extra any co-curricular activities mentioned here. And employment exchange registration number, state the name of employment exchange, and PF number is there mentioned. Experience, if any, if we have any experience, mention here very clearly. How many years, university institution name, duration, or year, like this. And any other particular concord, any achievements, honors, prizes or gifts. The final station and date enclosed. Which certificates are enclosed to this biodata, like PG, MA, PG OD or degree OD, 10th class OD, intermediate OD. These all things are any above mentioned, any these things are enclosed, mentioned here Yours faithfully, sign and open the bracket, write the capital letters in your name. This is the biodata. We have seen resume, CV and biodata, and some more examples I have seen here. Few 3 examples like this written. As you wish, different formats are there. Some formats I have given, followed as your wish if you have comfortable. Example, look at here. Look at the 2 sample resumes given below. The first one is the resume of candidate without relevant experience. Gurumurthy Kodapu, house number 2-143, street number 6, Krishna Nagar, Rajahmundry, telephone 123456, mobile 12345679, email kkrupamurthy@gmail.com. This is top of the level of information. Objective: to executive project successfully by working to strict deadlines in technically demanding environments. Next, professional experience and mechanical engineer February 2008 to date. Like this is no experienced person. Pursuing candidate. Installed water pump station in less than the allotted time. Surprised all aspects of repair, maintenance and servicing of hydraulics, pneumatics, compressors, boilers, conveyors, generators with the highlight safety standard and minimum wastage in terms of time and space parts. And assistant mechanical engineer July 2006 January 2008. Responded to emergency servicing and routine maintenance calls from general public. Diagnosed and repaired faults of the extensive range of democratic appearances ensured that customers are completely satisfied with the work carried out. The second one, established positive manufacturer and customer relations. Received the company excellence award for retaining customers. And educational and professional qualifications. Mechanical engineering, ABC University 2005 80.37%. Certificate engineer energy efficiency 2006. Project completed a study on the suitability and adequacy of tests of maintaining the highest safety standards and circular critical installations in 2005. Secured outstanding grade for the project. Reference available on request. These are one without relevant experience candidate applied the resume. And one more another sample 2 of the resume is given. Rabelli Sanjeev 111 EFGH with the Visakhapatnam 5,06,000, telephone number, mobile number, email ID. Objective: a position as a civil engineer with a reputed organization with specializations in both civil and industrial constructions. Educational qualifications: civil engineering 2010 83% of marks. Relevant experience: worked on a project on impact of earthquakes on high-rise buildings. Gained on-site work experience during weekends and holidays by first one, assisting supervising engineer at ABC Constructions Company 2009. working with the project engineer at the Industrial Park ABC Pattanam 2007 to 18. Professional experience. Attended a 10 days workshop on safety standards and regulations for high rise buildings. XYZU University in 2009. Presented a paper at the International Seminar on Safety Standard and Regulations for High Rise Buildings at the PQR University title An Alternative Plan for Quick Vacations of People in a High Rise Building in an Emergency. In additional information also mentioned here, climate level headed under extremely advised conditions, self-motivated and dependable under any and all conditions, can easily work in a town with fellow Indians or people from different cultures, willing to relocate, holding an Indian passport. Reference available on request. These are two sample resumes. And finally, one more example I have discussed here. Look at here. Advertisement is there. I read the advertisement once. Prepare curriculum vitae for the following advertisement. Wanted a lady lecturer in English for a girl residential college. This is CV, remember this. The candidate should be a postgraduate aged above 35. Even part-time lectures are acceptable. Should have a pleasing personality with excellent communication skills. Previous experience preferable. Apply to post box 116, care of the Hindu, Vijayawada. So write the first to address to the manager, post box number 116, care of the Hindu, Vijayawada. Next objective. A position as a memorable, motivating, moralizing and mesmerizing teacher of English in an institution that stands for and supports human values. Next personal details. Name Divya Bhavani Gandhi Charla. Father's name Praveen Kumar. Date of birth and age 2012-1981, 35 years. Complete address. Create this like 2614 by 1A Ganesh Temple Road, New Agneswara Colony, Tandepelgudu, West Godavari District. Mobile number, email ID. This is the informations. After that, academic qualifications or educational qualifications. Serial number, qualification, institution, year of passing and marks obtained. First PG Diploma in English, CFL now IFLU 2013 A+. MA English Andhra University Campus Vizag 2012 71%. BA Honours Alluri Sitaramraju Degree College Vizag 2076%. Intermediate Government Junior College TP Pagude 1997 69%. SSC Government Girls High School 1990 60%. And job experience. Have been looking as a lecturer in English at various central schools at colleges for the past 30 years. And language known Telugu, English and Hindi. Interests promoting creative skills in learners conducting quizzes, debates, cultural activities aimed at improving communication skills and developing personality. And station date left side margin, signature of the right side. These are the examples. These, like I have given number of examples are there. I say one more example. In on it is a computer based on example. Prepare a curriculum vitae for the post of front office assistant. Must be a graduate. Fluent in English is must. Knowledge of computers preferable. Good communication skills. Remember these very important hints. First of all, objective, career. Position that has scope for good public relations promotions. The next one, details, name, create yourself. For example, Praveen P. Father's name Parameswar, date of birth 12/11/1990, 26 years. Complete address, create your address. Door number, Kalyan Towers, road number 10, Royal in use, Palakollu, West Godavari district, phone number, email ID. Like this, mentioned in different. And academic qualification, remember this what you want. Serial number, qualification, institution, year of passing, mark obtained. Remember these things. Qualification, diploma in hospitality, post and qualification. Institution, Oxford Institution of Hotel Management, year of passing 10 to 11, grade 1, A plus. Next, BCom, King George College, 2010 7 to 10, 62%. Intermediate, Government Junior College 5 to 7, 79%. SSC, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, 2005, March 66. And experience relevant to the post. The post name is office assistant, must be a graduate. Graduate already mentioned, graduation BCom. And other computer qualities, knowledge of computer preferable, other diploma in hospitality mentioned, and lower level education also mentioned. And work experience is also preferable, and work experience. Has been working in since 2011 as a front office assistant at a 3-star hotel in Vizag. The next one is language. Fluency in English is a must. Language known, Telugu, English, Hindi, English and Oriya. I can speak very well and communicate to all. Efficient or fluency English. And interest, music, folk, reading books, etc. If you have any reference mention here, left side margin, place and date, 13/12/2016, Palakollu, signature, Praneeth, open the bracket, write down the capital letters. These like are written the CV or resumes. Okay, so in this video we have clearly discussed in the examination